29. In order to improve a country's education system, young students should be allowed to openly criticize their teachers during class time. Do you agree with this? What are some other ways education systems could be improved? In the times that we live in, open-mindedness and informality are considered more important than obeying value systems. Thus, we hear a suggestion from some quarters that students should be allowed to criticize their teachers openly during class time. I do believe in open-mindedness, but I disagree with the viewpoint presented here. If students were given the permission to criticize teachers during class time, first of all, this could be used as tool by disinterested student to waste precious teaching time. Secondly, learning can only occur when there is a feeling of respect for the teacher, and with such openness there would be loss of respect, and the teaching environment would be thereby spoiled. Thirdly, students are sometimes too young to grasp the intention of the teacher or the need of the subject being taught. In such a situation, the criticism would not be of any help, as it would only be a misguided judgment. On the other hand, people who advocate such openness in the classroom say that this can make the relationship between the teacher and the student friendlier. However, I believe that if the teachers are well trained, they know the psychological aspects of teaching young children, and thus, our education environment would be better served. Also, in the event of receiving some unwelcome behavior from a teacher, there could be a system in place where the student or a group of students is allowed to submit a written complaint to the principal or any other authority that can then look into the matter and resolve it responsibly. To conclude, even though the system of open criticism may appear democratic, I opine against this method considering its possible drawbacks. For more information, visit www.eltscab.com or Cambridge Institute of ELTS.